everyone and welcome back to another video. I am sat here in my pyjamas before bed and I thought, you know what, I'm just going to do a relaxed video. I am going to open the remainder of my number 7 beauty advent calendar with you. In my previous video, I opened 1 to 13, so we have got number 14 to 25 to open. I know we haven't reached, you know, the 25th yet, but I want to open it all with you and show you what's inside. So I will show you the calendar now. I'm just drinking my cup of tea in, I love this mug. I got this from Asda. I think I got it a couple of years ago now, and it's just one of my favourites every time it comes out. So they've done another one this year like this, but it's like little mini gingerbread men. But yeah, I'm glad I got this one. So I will show you the calendar. If you've not seen my previous video, I will show you what it looks like and then we can start opening the boxes. So this is it. It is a beautiful calendar. It has got 2 layers. So it has got the layer at the top where you lift the lid, and then underneath you have got the drawer as well. Everything in this calendar is full size, and I've done little short videos as well. So if you do want to see what was in 1 to 13, you can go back and have a look at those. But for now, we are going to start with number 14. So we've got quite a long box here, and it feels quite heavy as well. Okay, so this is the HydraLuminous Water Concentrate. And it says smooth onto your face and neck before applying your moisturiser. So this must be like a serum type product. I've never used this one before. And obviously you get your dropper as well with that. So yeah, so that is a 30ml. So that is a really good size. So that was number 14. So number 15. Now this looks and feels like it's going to be a moisturiser. And it is. So this is the same range, and this is the HydraLuminous Water Surge Gel. Smooth onto face and neck after cleansing. So obviously you would then, this is where you would put this on before your moisturiser. So this is going to be quite a light gel. Can you see? I think this is for combination to oily skin, because on the front of it, it does say oil free. So I think this is going to be quite a light moisturiser. And again, another full size, 50ml. So that's really good. A little bit more of a smaller box, this one. Oh, I like the look of this one. So this is the same range, HydraLuminous, and this is the eye Hydrator. Now, because this is a gel, I bet this is amazing if you put this in the fridge. Now, I'm actually looking for an eye. Oh, look at that. It's just like a clear gel. So imagine this in your fridge to cool down your eyes in the morning. I always put my eye masks in the fridge. So yeah, so I bet this is really good. This is a 12ml. But yeah, I can just tell that this is going to be so cooling. So I will let you know. I will try this and I will let you know. But it's nice that you're getting like the whole range as well. You're getting the moisturiser, the serum, the eye cream. So yeah, so now we are on to box number 17. I've just realised as well that my makeup is just everywhere. It's smudged, but it is the end of the day. So you're going to have to excuse me if my makeup's a little bit all over the place. So box number 17. This feels like a moisturiser again. And it is. So this is the same range. Overnight recovery gel cream. So this one, this must be the day, and then this one is the night. Now this is more of a cream, so this will probably be a little bit more richer than your day, just while your skin recovers overnight. So yeah, so in that range you have got 2 moisturisers, the serum and the eye gel. So this calendar, can you see what I mean? That this calendar is just amazing. It's a good way as well of testing out the ranges as well if you have never used it before. So that's number 17. Now on to box number 18. Okay, now this is really light. It doesn't even feel like there's anything inside, to be honest. Okay, so this is a voucher. And they do this in the calendars because obviously with things like foundation, lipsticks, things like that, it's good that they do give you the voucher that you can choose your own shade. So this is for the Restore and Renew Multi-Action Serum Foundation. Again, I've never tried that before. It's worth £19.95, and that is valid until the 31st of May next year. So you've got a really good period of time to go out and choose your foundation and the shade and give it a try. So that's really good. So again, this feels pretty light. So this is the Restore and Renew range. It says it's suitable for sensitive skin and you use this morning and evening. This is just another serum, it'll be a different consistency. So yeah, I'm going to give all these a go and I will review them all for you. Number 20. These are just amazing, aren't they? All these full sizes. Okay, so this is another 50ml moisturiser. This calendar is incredible. Restore and Renew, face and neck, multi-action. This is also your day cream with your SPF as well. Apply after using the serum. So you would use your serum first and then you would apply your moisturiser. The packaging is really nice. It's a nice cream. Got a really beautiful smell as well. So yeah, this looks good. Again, I will be trying all these for you. I will review all of them. I have used the Protect and Perfect range in the number 7 and I loved it. But these are new to me. I think I have used one of these before and I did like it. I just can't remember now which one. Right, number 21. It's another moisturiser. So this is the night cream. So usually 9 times out of 10, your night creams will always feel that little bit richer. But it feels lovely. It feels really moisturising. This has got the most beautiful scent. It smells almost a little bit like cucumber. Just smells beautiful. I can't wait to try these actually. Again, it says to use a serum alongside this. So the pink serum that we got, you use it both morning and evening. So that's another 50ml. So we're now on number 22. This is getting really exciting, this now. Huge box. What is this? Oh, so this is the cleansing lotion. So a 200ml Restore and Renew. Cleanse and exfoliate for revived and brighter looking skin. So again, you're getting a full range. And the serum. So if you're looking to get a calendar and you love your number 7, definitely looking to get in this next year. It's such good value. Number 23. So we've got a long box here. Okay, so this is a firming booster serum. So it says 4 times more firming complex than our clinically proven serums. Apply every morning and evening before applying your usual number 7 moisturiser. And look at that inside as well. Massage no more than a peppercorn size amount from the left side of your mouth outwards and upwards to your brow. Repeat on the right. Massage the same amount into your neck and jawline. I am so looking forward to trying this. Never tried it. Love trying new things like this. And yeah, it's super concentrate. So anything that says firming, I am going to give it a go. Number 24. Like Christmas Day, this. Ooh, look at this. Line Correcting Booster Serum. So this is to apply directly to lines and wrinkles every morning and evening before applying your serum. It also says that you can use it as a booster by mixing 1 or 2 drops into your usual moisturiser, eye cream or foundation to supercharge your favourite product with a boost of line smoothing power. And again, I love this applicator at the top. This is all new products for me, so can't wait to test these out for you. I will be putting them all on my Instagram as well, and I'll be doing my short videos on here to let you know what I think. Okay, so we're now on box 25. This is really light, so I hope I'm not disappointed with it being the last box. Oh, okay. So this is Pure Retinol, 0.3% retinol night concentrate. It comes with a little leaflet because obviously when you've not used retinol before, you do have to be careful. I'll just quickly read the directions for you. So limit initial use to once or twice a week on non-consecutive nights, gradually increasing frequency to every other night. Apply 2 pumps to a cleansed face, avoiding the eye, outer eye and lip areas. Allow product to be completely absorbed before applying your usual number 7 serum and moisturisers. So what you would have to do is when you get this, you would have to read the instructions. I think basically what it means is if you've not used retinol before, because you have got to be quite careful with it, it has got to be used at night because I think it can increase your skin sensitivity to the sun. So this is going to be something that you get really good results from, fingers crossed. So I will let you know again what I think about this one. It's a small tube, but you probably won't need a lot of it. So I bet this lasts for quite a long time. So yeah, so how lucky are we to have all these products? What I'm going to do is I am going to keep putting the small videos on my channel. I will show you every individual product from number 1 right the way up to number 25. I just wanted to show you that so that you could see all the calendar and everything that I got. Don't forget as well, if you want to win the beauty collection that I've got, the number 7, a brand new collection in this gift box. If you go on to my last video, you will see all the details, everything that's inside it as well. You will also see the first 13 products that were in this calendar as well. You have got until the end of December. It will be drawn on the 2nd of January. So you could win this and try if you've not used it before, or just stock up on some of your favourites as well. So thank you so much for watching. I am going to hopefully bring you something over Christmas as well. Lots of new content coming in the new year, product reviews on makeup, skincare, body care, everything. I would love it if you would subscribe. Please drop a comment as well. I'd love to get to know you all, and yeah, have a lovely Christmas, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.